Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine pictures in Photoshop. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Step 2. Go to File, click Open. Select all the images that you want to combine. Step 3. After selecting all the images, click Open. Once all the pictures open, make sure that the selection tool is selected. Step 4. As you can see, there are multiple tabs open. Select the tab where you want the picture to be dragged into the primary tab. Step 5. Drag the picture into the primary tab. Hold still until you will be switched into the primary tab. Do the same steps for all other images. Move and resize the images until it will fit on the primary image. That's it. Super easy. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this quick tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload new videos. Goodbye for now.